Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Denver Action Cam. So this is a 4K, 30 frames per second, but I think you can sort of increase that up to about 60 frames per second, depending on the resolution. It's a GoPro style action camera. Very compact, nice and sort of tiny, very simple and easy to use. You've only got two buttons, one on the front, which is your sort of on-off, and then you've got your shutter. You've got a couple on the side as well, but you don't tend to use these too much. Much the same as a GoPro in sort of how it works. You've got the little lens on the front. You've got a screen on the back, so you can actually see what you're taking sort of video of. You won't be able to see too much looking at my chest, but this all sits inside a little housing which will take it down to 40 meters. So it's great for snorkeling, it's great for scuba diving as well. Again, two buttons that you're really going to be using, the on-off, which is also your mode button, so you can cycle through all your videos and your photo and sort of quick. All the GoPro style mounts will work with this camera, and you get a lot of them with the camera. So I'm just going to rattle through a few of these. We've got the handlebar mount, we've got the suction cup mounts, just little clipping mounts, these sort of adhesive ones, and all the different things. You've got USB cables, everything that you need just to get that sort of perfect shot. So whether you're putting it on a handle or whether you want to mount it onto a piece of your kit, if you already have GoPro style sort of mounts, this one will sort of fit to it. And yeah, because of the size and because it's small, compact, and it's tough, you can take this wherever you want. Just make sure that you keep that seal nice and clean and sort of keep that battery charged. You should do fine. Recording on 4K, of course, is a nice sort of high resolution, but if you want to capture more sort of faster moving things, small little fish, you can dial that down, and that sort of ups the frame rate. A fantastic little action camera. Thanks for watching and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.